Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover deleted photos. You can do this on Android because I'm using Android. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the picture that you want to delete. Let's say for this video, I'm going to be deleting this picture for this video. So then what you're going to do is you're going to, let's say we delete this. Let's say we want to recover this photo. Let's say we delete this photo. Move to recycle bin. The photo is now deleted. So I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos. So you're going to click here on the three lines on the bottom right here. Click here. Then click here where it says recycle bin. Click here. Then after, as you can see, you're just going to click here. As you can see, the picture is here. Then you're going to click here on this icon here on the below left, on the bottom left here. Click on it. As you can see, it says image restored. Then you're going to go back. As you can see, the picture is back again. That's how easy it is, guys, to recover your deleted photos. Maybe you deleted something with mistake, then you want to recover it. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this.